how to empower yourself, your partner, and the relationship all in the same breath. This is new. Don't be afraid. Be skilled. I want to talk to you today about the relationship red flag you may not know about. Hi, I'm Terry Real, the founder of Relational Life Therapy. I've been a couples therapist for decades now. I don't want to say how much. Listen, what if I were to tell you a relationship without conflict is not actually a healthy relationship? It isn't about never fighting. It's about learning to fight well. When one or both of you starts avoiding conflict at all costs, you are keeping the peace, but it's at the cost of your own connection. You're talking to the author of the audiobook, Fierce Intimacy. I believe that a healthy, passionate relationship demands that we take risks, that we take each other on, that we lean into our partners and say, hey, listen, don't scratch me here or scratch me here. This works better for me. Hey, listen, I'm not happy with ... Let me teach you what would work better. What do you need from me in order to do this differently for both of us? We don't take each other on, in part because when we do not have the skills we need to be successful at it. We try and put out what we want by complaining or being angry or sharing our negative feelings. Our partners get defensive, they don't listen, or they say yes, they'll change, but never do. We're stuck. And let's take a look at your common pattern. If you grew up in a family where everybody was pleasant, behind walls, didn't really deal with emotions, conflict were bad taste somehow, you may think that walls are normal. What is all this hot emotion? Of course, you may very well be connected to a partner who is very emotional. Good choice. And yet now you're going to have to deal with it. So what is all this feeling that you want to share with me, or you want me to share with you? Feelings? Ugh. Vulnerability, emotion, I'm sorry, but they're the tickets into true intimacy. You can't be close to somebody and walled off and utterly protected at the same time. You have to move beyond what you learned in your family as a kid. What if you grew up in the opposite, a family that was explosive, where one or several people were unregulated? You move into either control, oh my God, let me fix this, little family therapist, or avoidance, get me the hell out of here. Very good moves as a kid, not great moves as an adult spouse. Or maybe love in your family was conditional. You were the hero child, you were the performer, and so you learned that love was equated with pleasing people. It's not about your needs, it's about your needing their needs. So you're good in the relationship, but kind of constricted and dead. Open up, break a few walls, break a few windows, let in some air. Here's the deal. You tell yourself you're compromising, but you're really settling. The litmus test is resentment. If you really don't like what's happening, lean in and deal with it. If you can't do it alone, go into therapy and get some help, but don't let it fester. The things that you resent and don't deal with wind up accruing. They leak out sideways as a lack of generosity, a lack of closeness, a lack of sexuality. The first casualty when we stop taking each other on is passion. Stand up for yourself. But here's the art. Learn how to stand up for yourself with love. You have to come learn this. In our culture, you either accommodate and eat it, or you stand up for yourself and Katie bar the door, pissed as hell. And no. I love you. You love me. I love what you're doing. This would work even better. Let me teach you what would really work for me. I know you love me. You want to please me. Let me show you how. Let me reward you when you try. Let us work together as a team. In our culture, if you assert yourself, you lose connection and cherishing, and it's all about me, 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 me. This is what I would like from you. We're a team. What could I give you to help empower you to come through for me? Let's work together. Let's work together on our sex life. Let's work together on the angry fighting that we can fall into. Let's work together on my feeling more appreciated by you and less criticized. What could I do that would help you make these changes? Let's work together so that I get more of what I want. How to empower yourself, your partner, and the relationship all in the same breath. This is new. Don't walk on eggshells. Don't swallow your truth. Do stand up for yourself, but stand up for yourself cherishing that beautiful partner you're with and cherishing the relationship you're in all at the same time. Disagreements aren't bad. Conflict isn't bad. It's a tip-off for what you want to see different. I've worked for decades with couples on the brink that no other therapist has been able to help. The one thing they all have in common is they are missing what I call a mechanism of correction, a steering wheel. Don't touch me here, touch me here. Oh, okay, honey, I can do that. No, that mechanism has broken down. Don't touch me here, touch me here. Don't tell me what to do. Don't touch me here, touch me here. Okay, I will, but then they don't. How can we work like a team so that I can give you more of what you want and you can give me more of what I want? How can I assert myself, even have conflict with you in a way that is skillful and gets us somewhere? Real relationships are not about never fighting. They're about fighting, repairing, making up, learning a few things, and doing things differently so that you please each other. Don't be afraid. Be skilled. Thank you. If this was helpful, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel for more thoughts and hopefully some wisdom. Be well.